Does that mean I won? He's got red all over his crayon.
Good afternoon, everybody. Ollie and Parker are playing with some presents that they got last night.
That not means win. I'm winning.
Oh, are you winning?
No.
So this is supposed to be outdoors, but obviously it's cold outside. I don't know if they need to be charged a lot more or what. We'll have to see.
Jingle bell chime, jingle bell time. Okay. Party's over. Hey!
Annabelle built this. She got it from Grandma Gwenda, and it's this Friends Lego set, 722 pieces, and she built it all by herself. She started.
Well, not all by myself.
Well, you barely had help from us, and the help that you had was really just like, I can't find a piece. So she built this though.
But the only part, she helped me. Like, we couldn't figure something out, and then we figured it out.
What's going on with Parker? He's just screaming his head off right now.
We couldn't figure out something, but she figured it out, Mom. Didn't we? Yeah, we attached these two parts together, and then there's like this big other platform, and we attached that to that. I didn't really understand it, but yeah.
Yeah, she did such a good job. She started last night, and that's cool. She started late last night. She did 2 parts.
Oh, can I show them something?
Yes.
They have like a little fire pole, like this. We could go down.
Cute.
So came with a dog, a bunny, and a little hamster, and it has a little wheel.
Good job. Yep, she did so good. And Mommy did a great job over here on Ollie's. I put this together and this together, my first Legos. And I also put Parker's together, which are over there. Chris is all set up out here and watching, well, he was watching football. But, yeah. Okay, so I filmed a little bit on my phone. Good evening. Yes, it is evening because I was going to do some driving today. It seems like I always get super busy and I don't get to go driving. And, yeah, so we are going out to eat. We're going to go get some Mexican food. I've been really, really busy all day helping the kids. So I helped the kids with their Lego sets while Ollie and Parker. Annabelle's been doing pretty good on her own. So now we're gonna go and have a good time.
No! Oh, yeah.
A trick. Does that mean I won? He's got red all over his crayon. Wait.
We are back home and I have dishes to clean. It's ridiculous. I'm so full. I don't feel good. I'm so full. I need to show you what I got last night. Oh, come here. Let me see. Let me see. Oh gosh, I'm gonna vomit. Oh no. There's his butt. Oh no. Ta-da! I want to show you what I got from my stepmom. I'll get a charger. So it'll be great for Disney. I got this purse. It's just a little, it's Vera Bradley. And it opens in the front. And it'd be perfect for Disney because it's not all bulky and stuff. And I can carry my cards. And then open it up. Cash can go in there. And then we got an extra zipper. My phone could probably go in there too. But yeah, so I got that. And then I got a nice cozy blanket that I would bring for the car ride to Disney. So yeah, so I'm very excited about that. Disney Vera Bradley, always the best. Get your gun now. I'm hiding behind the tree because I had to get his door. But back away so you don't hurt him too bad, okay? Go over there. Over there. Sorry, babe. Not in the face, not in the face. Not so close. Back away.
I'm gonna lose this game.
Okay. Last one. Oh my God.
Hey! That's like a dart, man.
Here.
I'm gonna help you. No way. To improve access to this file. You hear it, right? That doesn't sound like normal, right? Because it hurts.
Oh, that was off you. I thought I had to.
Oh, you better.
Oh, that went in the tree somewhere.
The man, the mom jeans is correct.
Okay, Daddy. Daddy.
All right, warm up.
What are we doing? No, Daddy. No, Daddy. He's scoring.
Yeah, he knows.
I'm warming up. Wait. Mommy's gotta call us in.
Oh.
Get your corners.
Are players set?
No, not yet.
Fight. Hey, be careful by the fire.
You're on video.
Oh!
Oh, it scared me. We are watching one of my favorite movies, The Santa Claus, and I like all three of them, but they're some of my favorites. And Mr. Oliver is over there. Where is he? There he is, eating some chocolate chips. Chris is over there. Annabelle went back upstairs. It's such a pretty sight. That tree is just gorgeous.
He just ditched us.
She ditched us? Yeah, she ditched us. I'm gonna play some Legos with Mr. Oliver. He's been waiting for me to play something with him, so we're gonna play some Legos.
From someone who wears a diaper and shoots arrows in people's butts. Wait a minute. I got it. How about this? The Molinator. The Molinator. I like it. Thank you, Santa. Can we vote right now on the Molinator?
All in favor of name change for Tooth Fairy?
Welp, it has begun. Annabelle's computer, it's just not, hopefully something. You scared the crap out of me. What is wrong with you all coming up on mommy and grabbing my shoulder like that, all creepy like?
But can you?
I can't do much.
Can I have a snack?
Go get one. So yeah, so we are unfortunately dealing with this. If I can't get it, which will be in the middle of the night. Yeah, she has school and she's gonna have to use my computer, and I don't like this computer as it is. It's a piece of crap computer, and my hair looks like a hot mess. I ain't throwing my hair out though. Yeah. What do you got? A granola bar? You got a granola bar. So why is that so bright? That's crazy. It's like I have an angel here. Look at my eyes. I've been rubbing my eyes so there's makeup everywhere, and that's it. Oh my God, you guys. It's popping out. So I went and I counted. So I counted all the presents and stacked them again because I wanted to see if we had everything. This is a lot of presents, but we got 5 kids. So And then you'll see me and Chris's little tree. Over here in the dining room is our tree. This is my present Chris wrapped. That's my present. That's my present. That's my present. That's my present. And that's my present. I have no idea what's in the boxes. Chris has this one. This one. This is the expensive one. And this one. That one. He's got a few back there. And then, of course, our elves fell back there. So I don't know if they were sitting on here or what they were doing, but maybe they were drunk. I don't know, but
Maybe they jump.
maybe they did jump. I don't know. Also, I'm preparing Christmas. This is going to Chris's aunt. We got her a little something something. His grandparents each got one. My nieces. And then these are the gifts that Corbin and Ian got. It's a hot mess now. Our house is a hot mess. This is how it gets during Christmas. It just gets really messy because of gifts and everything and all the hecticness. But anyway, they got presents galore. So yeah, this is me and Chris's tree of presents. So there's just, it's not, so it's just a little crazy. We go all out for Christmas usually. We like to spoil the kids, we like to spoil each other. I have one more gift coming for Chris, and I have to go and buy something to go with that gift. And also, we're going on vacation. On the 28th, we leave for vacation. I'm so excited. Where are we going on vacation?
The wilderness.
The wilderness. Yep. I'm really, really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.